Good morning everyone, my name is Lawrence Rodrigo and now this is the report of Group 16. I will discuss about the intellectual property right on the development and use of digital materials. Our lesson outcomes: Number 1. Identified examples of intellectual property right in educational setting. Define the copyright laws. Cite the consequence when copyright laws were violated. The plagiarism reported that a survey of over 63,700 US undergraduate and 9,250 graduate over the course of 3 years 2002-2005 conducted by Donald McCabe, Rutgers University revealed the following. Number 1. 36% of undergraduates admit to paraphrasing, copying few sentences from the internet source without footnoting. 24% of graduate students self-report doing the same. 38% admit to paraphrasing, copying few sentences from right sources without footnoting it. Number 4, 25% of graduate students self-reporting doing the same. Number 5, 14% of students admit to the fabricating, falsifying bibliography. And number 6, 7% of graduate students self-report doing the same. And number 7% self-report copying materials almost word from a writing source without citation. Number 8, 4% of graduate students self-report doing the same. And number 9, 7% students report turning in work done by another. And number 10, 3% of graduate students self-report doing the same. And number 11, 3% report obtaining paper from term paper mail. And number 12, 2% of graduate students report doing so. Next.
So copyright is a legal term used to describe the rights that creators have over their literary and artistic works. So works covered by copyright range from books, music, paintings, sculptures, and films to computer program databases. So a copyright gives the creator of an original work exclusive rights to it. It's usually for a limited time. Copyright may apply to a wide range of creative, intellectual, or artistic forms or works. Copyright does not cover ideas and information themselves, only the form or manner in which they are expressed. For our students, the internet is important because we can get an idea about the topic, but let's not abuse the use of the internet. So the importance of copyright is an essential component of the modern educational experience. So copyright is important as it helps to protect the value of an author's academic researcher's work by giving the originator of the work the ability to protect it from unlicensed or uncredited usage. So this leads to the prevention of their work being copied to the degree where they cannot sell it effectively or receive credit for it.
Good morning everyone, I am Sania Mangonta and this time we will continue the lesson Intellectual Property Rights on the Development and Use of Digital Materials. And this time, our topic is what we call the copyright infringement versus plagiarism. Copyright infringement. When we say copyright infringement is the use of work protected by copyright without permission for a usage where such permission is required, heavy infringing certain exclusive rights granted to the copyright. Plagiarism. Plagiarism is applied when ideas are copied. Copying violation occurs only when a specific fixed expression. It is called sequence of words. Use of an image is copied. Plagiarism origin further elaborates the following, such as turning in someone else's work as your own. Means this plagiarism is presenting someone else's work or ideas as your own, with or without their consent, by incorporating it into your work without full acknowledgement. Number 2, copying word or idea from someone else without giving credit. It is according to the Webster Online Dictionary, plagiarized means to steal and pass off the idea or words of the other as one as own. Number 3, failing to put a quotation in quotation marks. In addition to citing, you must else put exact words from the source in quotation mark. In other words, if you do not do this, you are implying that while the idea is from the author, the wording is your own. Number 4, giving incorrect information about the source of quotation. It is to changing words and copying the sentences. So, it is the changing word but copying the sentence structure of source without giving credit. So, makikita po natin talaga dito is kung saan nasa Google, halimbawa, kumukopya talaga tayo na walang source, katulad sa Wikipedia. So, may mga words diyan na minsan is sumusobra, may sobra at saka may kulang. Kung kukopyahin mo, sometimes kung halimbawa, kung sa lecture natin, kukuha tayo ng mga some answers is mali. So, wala tayong kailangan talaga kung may source po tayo. So, number 5, changing word but copying the sentence structure of source without giving credit. It is called verbatim plagiarism. It is called verbatim plagiarism, means copying text from a source and pasting it directly. Pasting it directly into your own document without giving words, it is still counts as verbatim plagiarism. Number 6. Number 6 is copying so many words or ideas from a source that make the majority of your own work, whether you give credit or not. See our section on fair use rules. It is the copying many of words, which is majority of the word. Parang sa Google na nakikita natin especially sa research natin, which is nagagamit natin sa mga report natin. We copy it to relate in the subjects.
Images, videos, and music. The following are counted as plagiarism. Number 1 is copying media, especially images from other websites, to paste them into your own paper or website. It is easy to copy the image by downloading and copying link to paste into our own websites. Number 2, making a video using footage from others' video or using copyright music as part of the soundtrack. By using application or downloading apps in our mobile, we use any background music or soundtrack while we make a video. O di kaya ay gagamit tayo ng music na na-download na natin. Number 3, performing another person copyright music, etc. by ito ay gagamitin natin bilang cover. Halimbawa, mag-i-edit tayo ng mga videos pero ang copyright niya is yung music. So, yun ay napakadali lang natin i-download, gagamit lang tayo, mag-search lang tayo sa Google, tapos kung ano yung napili natin na music is pwede na natin kasi nandiyan naman na lahat sa Google. Number 4 is composing a piece of music that borrows heavily from the other composition. Parang nangyayari na karamihan sa mga vlogger. Gumagawa sila o kumukuha sila ng mga pang-backgrounds nila na music para sa kanilang mga content or related sa kanilang mga kanta o di kaya ay mga videos nila. In other words, plagiarism refers to copy the works of other and claiming it as one ideas or without proper attribution, while copying infringement is copying someone's works without obtaining permission. In this sense, copyright infringement is violation of copyright of the copyright holder, while plagiarism is violation of right of the author. And that's our lesson today. Hopefully, we understand, and thank you and have a good day.